Well, guys, here we go, day one. The head is off. We didn't hit no pistons, thankfully. We don't have no marks or anything like that. Block looks good. Head gasket came off with the head, hooray, haha. Valve cover, distributor, camshafts, all the caps. We got a little spot right there on that cam gear. We're going to see about, try to find us another head or some more camshafts. But it's off. Ready to send off to the machine shop or see which route we go. So, another day with TDK. Y'all stay tuned. The head's removed. Step one to starting over. Alright guys, quick little update. So, as y'all know, the head went funky on the LS. So we have completely disassembled it. Everything here. I got one little nick on a camshaft that I'm going to take with me. So this guy here, where's it at? Right there. We got a little nick. So we're going to take this with us. We're going to take all this stuff over to Wells Racing up in Duncanville, Texas. And get this baby checked, decked, poured and polished and repaired. Then we'll get it back, slap a new head gasket on this turd here, and should be back in action. But for the moment, we got all our stuff here laid out and wait on some parts. Give us luck, guys. In the meantime, stay tuned. I'm sure I'll be up here, out here